Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you're really good. Today my mom is going to show you how to cook mushroom. Now, mushroom is so delicious. Like you can make anything out of mushroom, it will taste good. Anything. But today let's try to cook them. This is the first time ever my Ammu is trying to cook the mushroom. She had fried it many times before and it's super delicious. So today she's trying it in a new way. As she opened the mushroom can, fried it real quick, fried the potatoes. Now she's going in with onions, chilies and red chilies, dried red chilies, then ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric, red chili powder and roasted cumin and coriander powder. It's just the usual way how my Ammu cooks chicken, egg curry, fish curry, anything. Then add in the water and garam masala and then mix it all up. Add in your tomatoes real quick. Stir it again. Now we're going to cover it, let it cook. After you open it, magic boom, our curry will be ready. So good. Then we are going to add in with some curd. Then stir it real quick, mix it really nicely so that everything gets in the flavor out of the curd and like the taste goes into it. Then just like this. After that, we are going to add in our potatoes. Like potatoes are a must in every curry you're making. Curry without potato is, you can have it, but you cannot enjoy it as much as with potato. After that, go in with the final step, adding our hero of this recipe, mushrooms. Add in all the mushrooms really nicely. Make sure nothing is left over. Mix it all together. Mix the mushrooms together with all the sauces we made and all the curry that we prepared before. It really gets it that flavor from everything and really nicely. Then mix it real quick, really nicely. And finally, we're going to finish it up with some water. Then just give it a good little stir and the rest, let it cook. Cover it up and let it cook. After you open the cover, voila, our curry is ready. Add it with some coriander and we are done. This is a really good recipe. Try it yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.